In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wish to replace it with any other widget, pinch your device's display, hit widgets at the bottom, pick a perfect one for you, like for example weather, hold it, drag it to the proper place, and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!